Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, you are very much welcome. So, guys, it's a bright and beautiful Wednesday morning, and I want to make something for breakfast, okay? But I want to try something new. Yeah, I want to try something new. I want to make plantain pancakes. Pancake, not cakes. Yeah. Morning one, I want to make plantain pancakes. Yeah. I've never done it before, so this is my first time. So I'm excited. And I have everything I need except for flour. I don't know how it's going to turn out without flour because all the videos I've come across, they all used flour in their own, but I don't know. I don't know. This is just going to be like an experiment, guys. So it doesn't have to be perfect on the first day or the first time, anyone you want to take. But yeah, I'm going to be making plantain pancakes. So yeah. It is time for reckoning. So guys, the pancakes were nice. They were nice. They were nice. Like the procedure is the same with making regular pancakes. It's just that plantain was added. Nothing extra per se. You get. It's just the plantain flavor you get with adding plantain into the whole mixture and stuff. So yeah, I have a couple of other things to do. I want to do my laundry and I also want to cook beans. But guys, I'm not going to be filming the whole beans process and blah blah blah. I'm not going to be doing that. Okay, so yeah.
Okay, let us go out for lunch. Yeah, let me ask you now. Let me go one. is not being selfish. You asking me to marry now. Just look at that Mr. Tony. Look at him. Try and be considerate. How can you even ask me to go be with that man? Next time, it should be hot water. And pour it straight on your private part. What's exciting? I'm going to visit my friend. If God does not say at me, I'm going to visit my come on. I want to see you. I see me. That must be my bag. So, what video was in your bag? Yeah, I think so. I think my Instagram was my 7 page.
So guys, I went to get a few hair accessories from the place I got my hair done. Okay, these things were not available the day I got my hair done, so the agreement was that she was going to call me when they are available, and she called, so I ran to go get them. I don't want to hear that, oh, somebody came and saw it and liked it and bought it. Nard. So got this headband thing, and this. I got 2 of them. Damn. I like it. Haha. Anyways guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video. I always forget what is the things to mention. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and also comment down below what you think about this video, and I would see you in my next video.